Okay, we got number 7 here. Write the form of the partial fraction decomposition for the rational expression. Do not solve for the constants. Okay, we want to write the partial fraction decomposition. And that's what we're looking for. When we say that decomposition, that means we're going to have something where we have like a over x plus b over x plus 1 plus something like that. That's what it's going to look like. So again, what we're looking for right now is we're looking for first to see whether the denominator has been factored, which it has been here. That is fully factored. X times x squared plus 2 to the third power. Now what we're looking for is we're looking for linear factors, and we're looking for quadratic factors. And then we're also looking at the multiplicity of the linear and the quadratic factors. Right here, we have x, that's one factor, and that's a linear factor. So we're going to have a over x. Okay, now what happens is we're going to have a quadratic factor here, x squared plus 2. So remember, for quadratic factors, we're going to have something with a linear term up top. Again, we're going to have a bx plus c. So again, if it's linear on the bottom, we just have a constant up top. If it's a quadratic factor, we're going to have a bx and we're going to have a c. And this time we have a multiplicity of 3. So we're going to write it as x squared plus 2 squared plus x squared plus 2 to the third. Again, that applies when you're looking at the multiplicity. You're going to write it for the first degree. So let's do that. So just to emphasize what we're doing there. Okay, to the first degree, to the second degree, and to the third degree. Because these are quadratic terms, we're going to have linear factors up top. Okay, and that's the answer. Again, it says do not solve for the constants. This would be a pretty tough problem to solve for the constants. But again, what we're trying to test you on is whether you understand the linear term, whether you understand the quadratic terms, and whether you understand this multiplicity portion.